Hello friends, I'm Abhinas. Now let's start how to make this. First you can open your kinemaster app, then wait sometimes friends, then click the plus icon, then click the empty project, then wait sometimes, then click the media browser and select your video. Now I select my video. Now it will come. Then you can click here, then click the capture option, then click the last one, then it will come. Then you can take it like here friends, it come here friends. I come here friends. Now it will make. Then you can click the capture option, then you can make it full screen. Okay friends, you can commit here friends. Now it will make. Let me show you the video. Then it will make like this. Then it will come. Then click the capture option, then go to in animation, then click the fade, then you can make it 0.5. now it will make. Then you can click the layer, then click the media, then select this video. I can give link in the description box, you can download it on the description box friends. Then you can make it full screen, then go to chroma key, then enable this. Now it will make. Then we can see the video. Let me show you the video friends. Then it will make like this. I cut here friends, then click the video, then go to the cut option, means the scissor option, then click the trim to right of place here, number second one, then click the right friends. Okay, let me show you the video. Now it will make like this friends. Now it will make friends. Then click the share option, then click the save to gallery, then you can click the full HD, then your video will be saved to your gallery. Now it will save friends. I click the full HD, now it will save to your gallery friends. Now it will save to your gallery friends. Okay friends, wait to 20 seconds, then you wait 16 seconds, 14, 13. Now it will save to your gallery. Then wait sometimes friends, then click the play option. Now let me show you my video friends, then click the video player. Now it will make like this friends. Okay friends, now it will make like this. Okay friends, if you like this video, please click the like option. If you're new in this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to see my new videos first. Okay, bye.